In this video, we will talk about how to fix no sound after Windows 11 update. Method 1. Check volume and output device. On the left bottom, click on sound icon. Click on this arrow. Choose the correct speakers or headphones, and make sure volume is not muted. Method 2. Restart audio services. Click in Search, type Services. Select Run as Administrator. Click in here, type W. Here, you have to restart Windows Audio and Windows Audio Endpoint Builder. For that, simply right-click on Services and select Restart. Method 3. Run Audio Troubleshooter. Click on Windows icon. Open Settings. On the left side, click on System. Scroll it down. Select Troubleshoot. Then Other Troubleshooters. In Audio, click on Run. Click on Yes to run Automated Diagnostics. Then follow the on-screen instructions. Method 4. Update or reinstall audio driver. Right-click on Windows icon. Select Device Manager. Expand Sound, Video, and Game Controllers. Right-click on your audio device. Select Update Driver. Click on Browse My Computer for drivers. Then, let me pick from a list available driver. Select High Definition Audio Device and click on Next. Then, click on Yes. If problem remains, right-click on Audio Device and select Uninstall. Then click on Windows icon and restart your PC. It will reinstall drivers automatically. Method 5. Check sound enhancements. Click on Windows icon. Open Settings. On the left side, click on System. Select Sound. Click on your audio device. Turn off Enhance Audio and Spatial Sound. So that's how you can fix no sound after Windows 11 update. See you in the next video.